In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature widget in a form builder, customize its settings, and then save the form. Adding a signature widget is an invaluable feature when you need to collect signed agreements or approvals digitally. It streamlines processes, reduces paper waste, and is incredibly easy to do. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to add a signature field in your form. A signature widget is an essential element for forms that require authentic consent or acknowledgement. It can be especially beneficial for legal documents, contracts, or any formal agreements. To begin, open your form builder tool. Every form builder has a slightly different interface, but the basic steps are generally similar across platforms. Locate the option to add a new element or field to your form. This is usually found in a toolbar or side menu. Once you have accessed this area, look for the option labeled Signature or something similar. It's typically under a category like Advanced Fields or Widgets. If you're having trouble finding it, don't hesitate to use the search bar if there is one available. Once you've found the signature option, simply click on it to add it to your form. You should see it pop up right away in your form preview area. It might appear as a blank signature box or a placeholder area that lets the end user know where to sign. Now that you have your signature field in place, let's move on to customizing its settings. Customizing the signature widget is a good opportunity to ensure it meets the specific needs of your form. In your form builder, click on the signature field to reveal its settings. Here you can usually adjust things like the size of the signature box, the description or prompt text, and sometimes the style or color. Adjusting the size is crucial if your form needs to fit into a particular space when printed or viewed on a device screen. Be mindful of the overall layout to maintain a tidy and professional appearance. Editing the prompt text is equally important. Make sure to use clear, concise language that instructs the user on exactly what is required. Something like "please sign here" can do wonders in minimizing user confusion. Some advanced form builders might allow you to set conditions for the signature field, such as making it a required field before the form can be submitted. Decide if this is necessary for your situation and adjust the settings accordingly. After you're satisfied with the customizations, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save or Update button, often at the top right or bottom of the screen. Click this to ensure all your changes are finalized and your form is ready for distribution. We've now reached the end of our tutorial. By following these steps, you've successfully added a signature widget, customized its settings, and saved your form. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.